All right, this is
Uno
some
call like me
unfortunate
tell
shit.
lie. On a run come over here send voice note. Uno ongo cement him coffin little more cause no admit. Uno admit what me say. So no only cement him coffin little more. Him have uno fi thank. Dumbass. So me answer the
Listen,
whole like question. Uno satisfied? How no
yo, I'm
feel?
satisfied because
How no feel?
well, once you showed what could I say
That same cousin, yeah, him call him and tell him, oh, me come my yard for come beat him. You know how long me not hear from this cousin? Me frightened me see him call me one morning on Facebook. We not have each other numbers on Facebook. Zine? And me
yeah.
I say, what going cause him? I say, why? You don't know I say me here for Algebra. Algebra say you come down and yard for come beat him. And when me tell you, say me go off. Come me I say, cause why this boy don't stop calling me? Why this boy don't stop tell lie for me? And when me I tell the cousin what really go on, it's like he more want believe Algebra to blood clot.
You know how it is. Some
So me
people gonna
said to him,
believe what they want to believe.
me said to him, say, since Algebra tell you things and you text side with Algebra over me, your own family, anyway, me say Algebra, me and him go have it out. Because him know say a lie him a tell. And him a call you know, knowing that me and you already done good for set you up on me. Right?
I'm gonna see if I can try to add algebra somehow.
Say Algebra draw stone off of me and tell me I'm go suck out me dead mama to me now come in him house. So from then, from him call me name to the cousin and the cousin call me, at the first me see him so close. Cause every time me see him, me say, remember me say me I go lock, hey, it now go done here, so me tell him, I told him, I never tell him I was gonna bring him down, I said I was gonna lock up your blood clot if you don't start text it for me.
I just
Nobody might
invited
not
him
want
into
to
the
take my
live.
side enough, but all of them are pedophile. What if them want to tell the truth, got enough time? Crowd draw up there. When Algebra depend, care what to you? I'm your first man, you know. I'm me take your maid, you know. You have to respect me. Anything me say I want to do to if him fi hug me up, me fi make him hug me up. If him want kiss me, me fi make him kiss me. One time him a try to kiss me and me chuck off him face, he must feel away. Him start to cuss me and me rub him out up a studio. Me rub him so till him have to go sit on one side. Oh dear blood clot, you! How dare you? 2 minutes attack. You know, give me to this man and this man beat me every blood clot day. Every day. This same man come tell me, say, if him never know say him take my virginity, he would have beat me and dash me out of him house. Cause you know same one tell him said the amount of man when me fuck already.
Okay, the people was trying to say that you was a because yeah, this is what we're saying in the group too, and they want me to get this out here. That you were a bad girl at 14. You run away, and you was taking man already, and that's just how it
Run
go.
away from hold on there. Hold on there. Did you not hear Algebra say him first fuck me?
I didn't hear that part, but I heard you and him say that your family brought you to him. I heard that part, and obviously
Ask
at
him
14,
again.
yeah,
Ask him
that's
again.
okay. But I hear you
Ask him
saying that.
again.
Okay. Shit.
You hear what me just tell you? Say him come tell me say the family them say how much man me a fuck and you just tell me say them send it in the group. Me never hear that. So how am I lying? How am I lying?
Nah. Listen, my goal
How
here
am
is
I
not to
lying?
keep. Listen, I'm not even saying you lying. I just want to hear you get your story out
No, I know
and
you
then
me
try and
a
make
ask.
peace.
I know you me a ask. I them me a
Oh.
ask.
Yeah. I tagged him. Somebody tag Algebra because I already invited him to come in. So I'll look again and see if he's still online. Let's see. That one gone. Let's see. That one gone. Yeah, I'm trying to look for him. I don't see him. Damn, maybe he left. Shit. I don't see him. Well, somebody tag him. Because Connie Rick is saying the same thing I'm saying. If you want to come in, Algebra,
All right,
come in.
hold on there now. Me I got throw out a challenge right now. You see if you can find the man me before Algebra bring him come.
Okay.
Me I throw out that challenge there. Me, I got in my pocket and pay anybody we can find the man we saying fuck me before algebra. And him have to have proof.
You hear that, right? Shit. This is just like an unfortunate shit that you've been through in life. And I do have to say I respect that you're still a fighter.
When I tell you my family, them not like me, them coming at the group and I prove it to Uno.
No, I go. It's not everybody going to see eye to eye, whether that shit be family or not. Sometimes people just don't see eye to eye. You know how I go? Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah, just go on with your life. You're doing right. Look like you're doing good if you ask me. And you're strong. You're strong. You're solid. So that's a good thing. So the best thing I can say is I'm going to make sure that he doesn't bother you. I'll give him a good reasoning. And then, therefore, no bullshit can go in again. Not even bullshit. No talking, you know, in the public waves or private waves can go in again. As long as he leaves you alone, you have nothing to say about him. And I will make sure that I talk to him on the line 3, for sure. Then that way you can focus on greater things, because as a music person, I know how music make us all feel, and I know it must make you feel good too when you do it. So you're just gonna fly and do your shit, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. If you know, see, this looks like a family feud.
Half a fly and burn up the waste people there, cause Phoenixx my name.
All right. So basically, in the comments, someone said it looks like a family feud. Mr. Chrome. So obviously, I'd say it is, because you know, if they're not really liking you like that or close to you, and you know they come talk what they talk, you know, it kind of like it's a feud, and it's not every family feud that we could cure or stop overnight. So you're doing the right thing. Just keep to yourself, live your life and do your music. Damn right.
Of course.
Damn music. Oh shit, I forgot one story. Not story, one question. How long have you been smoking weed and drinking? Not that that mean anything, but I was just ask you. You don't drink?
Yeah, all who did I talk about me drink about 3 cups of liquor. Batty boys, I don't drink. I was drinking Gatorade, and then I was drinking fruit juice that I blended in my trusty Hamilton Beach blender. I don't drink alcohol.
All right. How long you been smoking? Was you smoking them time?
If my man I drink Heineken, he may bring some, come give me. I don't drink alcohol because my head light.
Gotcha.
Me I smoke weed from me about 24.
Okay.
What else?
That's 10 years after this shit. Really 8 years after this ordeal, according to the story. All right, cool. So that means you were no bad gal. You was a young girl and shit happened, bad. And you bounced back and you're strong.
Let me tell you how I start to smoke. You want me to tell you how I start to smoke weed?
Tell me.
I was with this guy. It was my longest relationship. We did get engaged and everything. We did end up mash up. Everybody knows this tiny boy. Him used to smoke weed, right? And every time him smoke, him blow it. Now, so when I blow it in my face, me I get addicted little by little. So me dying if he come from work at evening time now if he come blow the ganja smoke in my face. So him say me I get addicted now, stop do it. But by this, me want the ganja. So it's when him stop give me now one day, I come from work and I say, you know, so I go find the weed man because I want the little weed smoke and this man now give me, you know. And when he go away, he start to take up the spliff tail them can realize that I smoke them. So go down the road, go buy one 50 bag. I don't remember if it was a 50 bag or what, but I buy a bag of weed and I buy one pack of whistler and I buy one lighter. See? And I go, remember me that go wash. Me that
go wash. The weed.
I say, all right. I go cut up the weed there. And see, I'm build a split. So I cut up your weed, you know, cut up your weed, because I watch how you do it, you know. So I pick out the little stick them in there, pick off the lead them, cut up your weed. You see when I draw the whistler, I roll about 28 paper.
Rascal.
One tear up. Because every time I wet it bust out. Every time I wet, I say, Jesus Christ, how them people are roll this? I say me roll till me get one. It ain't perfect, but it could have smoke. You know,
damn,
say me drop out 2 out of it. And me do this. Me do what me always see him do. Me do this. And then me go so. Flat, yo, me no remember nothing.
Shit. That's how it go. You're a rebel.
Ease up
Good
from
stuff.
and I said, no, sir, I'm going to sit down little. And nothing I
Okay.
remember. The next day, I wake up.
Damn. That's a hell of a story. Like I said, my dear, one thing I can say about you, you're still rough and tough and all that good stuff, so it's all good. I like to be outside. I'm in the country. Brooklyn in the house, but I'm in the country, so I'm going to behave like it. Shit. But yeah, like I said, looks like, look, you've more than gotten your story out to the world. More than gotten your story out. Now let me see. If nobody else have a question, then the queen can end this with a good feeling, because after this, I'm going to call Algebra and I will make sure that when he see you, leave you alone. Don't start none, won't be none. And I know I would have done my part as, you know.
Red.
Yes.
You know, I don't have no bad feelings at all because I never tell a lie from start. Me just want thinking mouth, pedophile algebra, keep me name out time mouth. Cause not know what you do nor say can't get me name. Algebra, you know, say me hate you, a whole heap of time, I tell you. A whole heap of time, I tell you. Stop going like me not tell you. A whole heap of time, I tell you all up a Jaro studio. Me hate you like poison. You come talk about your thinking friend, them come talk about you, me want you know. Who are you? Eh? You
hear this, Algebra?
You have a woman right now, me have a man. You have a woman right now? Eh? Every day you eat up out a blood clot jar or sit down and wait for dub money. Me do music, me do ear, and I'm a caregiver. Pussy, talk to me. Talk to me, no man. Talk to me, no algebra. How much time you beg me if you come up a studio, come link up our music? I just start to chat about baby K. And you know, say, what are the chances of calling a big woman baby? What are at least? You would have said babes. Or so when you talk to her, but baby for my name just add on so. It don't seem like nothing to no, but I was there, so I know.
I hear you. Believe me, I hear you. And the world hears you. But like I said, I'm just doing my best to remain unbiased and be a peacemaker. That's what I'm doing. But we all hear you. We've heard him.
I just clippings of the live where you and him do me see. I didn't even watch it. From my ear start to talk about, oh, me was a star and she tell me say she had 20. Me just comment on that because I now listen to all of that garbage. Because I know I be a lie over there tell. If Algebra cannot fool the whole world, say I have 2 sons in the military, Algebra not even have 1 pitney. If him cannot fool so many people.
Hear you.
When you come to sing me and help sing with a friend, sing all on yourself. But you know come to come sing me. All the way that talk about why I never left the car, if me did chain up. This is why I felt safer with the perverts, with the pedophile. Right? This is why I felt safer, because when I hear them the message there. And I want me listen, because people been sending me them. People been a send me them. Because I know in the group them, but the people in the group are send me them. I'm not going at the group, me just respond to them from my number, and little after that, me watch the time and then me link you. Because you see when me do the live, yeah, who want here can come watch it. Me now if you go in at this group, that the group are run down blood clot algebra for come face me. Algebra come face me. How you can in a group every day and rub out everybody and a diss everybody and a class everybody, and you can't come face Phoenixx? Eh?
Well, the only good thing I can say.
That would look like Phoenixx knows something for you.
Yep, but facing equals tracing. But right now we're dealing with peace, so we're gonna deal with some erasing. That's the best thing we're gonna do.
Need to erase him, man. When him see me, him just hide back a one wall, man. Cause when me see my skin crawl, man.
Sorry to hear that. And like I said, I'm gonna make sure I will line 3 him, and I will tell him, yo, make sure you don't start any trouble with her, and there won't be any. And that's how the peace is gonna come, you know. After that music.
Algebra act like him is a saint. Don't know where Algebra live, nobody not like him. That's why Algebra, if you tell people, boy, he live 100, he live a big yard. He did not live on none of them place there. Where him live, nobody not like him. Can this everybody down there and hype on the people them.
Damn. Damn, I hear you. I hear you. Like I said, I'm just after peace and for you to say your piece. So I'm glad that you came here. And like I said, I'm going to make sure I talk to him. And I really believe that he'll listen because, you know, we respect one another and everything going to be all good. I've heard you. The world has heard you. This shit going out there.
Sir.
Yeah, everybody going to hear you. But you know what them say. And you've already done that.
I appreciate the opportunity to clear the air, to clear my name. Because my name been tossed up from yesterday all over the freaking place. Right?
Yeah,
and everybody that was chatting, understanding a bag of question and I answer them.
Yes, you did. She said that, listen, people, she showed her ID. All the maths add up. She said that she didn't really want to get anybody in trouble. It was a spontaneous thing. And also, she still doesn't want to go make a report. Just leave her alone. So she hit everything. And so, therefore, I'm going to give Algebra line 3 and thing, and everything will be good and thing. And now, Uno can deal with a music thing. Finally. Finally. None but love, Queen. None but love. I guess everybody else quiet. So, like I said, I'm going to put this out. You can catch it on, what is it, YouTube, Daddy Rich Promotions. All right?
Mm-hmm.
I thank you for coming here and giving me a chance to do my best to make peace.
We just want to say this. For all family members who are different Algebra, all I can go suck on the mother, because I know me not beg no know me tough out my thing by myself. One I want to know, so when give me the number, I drop it on my foot. One I want to know, so when the mother talk things about me, I call her and tell her no malice me. I want to know, so the mother are wicked. Me no want a family from no. Me not beg no. Maybe not live my life by myself. So fuck all I know.
All right. With that said, could you please give me a chorus and a verse or a verse and a chorus? You are music. I'm the reggae ambassador. Let's end it like that. Anything you want to give us, give us. Because I heard your music. You're good. You're tough. Give me something. Give the world something. Please.
Look how long me a fight and I try tell me why dirty heart no want me get by but me born blessed. Me just a fight it regardless. So many times me sit down and I try figure how them sell love but I hate inna them eye but man not stress. Me just a fight it regardless. Follow me dreams, them and not follow them. Them not like how me a strive and not fi beg them. Fi get in a my business. No for them pretend, but Phoenixx don't want no bumbo clad friend. Better they chatter say you're selfish than get caught in the game. I chew them heart no clean, that's why them want put me shame. Chase off of me dreams, left them pon the lane dirt. Enough pon them names, so them a fight me fame. But look how long me a fight and I try tell me why the whole of no dirty blood clot. No want me get by, but my born blessed. And me I go win the whole on a dirty blood clot regardless. All that.
Rasta, you're fire. Oh, don't say nothing else. Fuck it. A line for you. Yo, listen. I'm going to make sure that there's no problems. I'll do my best. And if he reneges, it's on him, but I'm going to do my best. I'm pretty sure he won't bother you. And like I said, I'm the reggae ambassador, and you just caused a musical massacre. Big up yourself, my dear. Dread out for now.
Thank you so much. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Number love. Bless. I catch this.
Man, one love, man. One love.
Every time. All right, peace. People, just catch this. Yup. Catch this on YouTube, Daddy Rich Promotions. Phoenixx just spoke. The fires blaze. And we out. Dread out for now.